The Hoover Dam Historical Railroad Trail is the old railway used during the construction of the Hoover Dam. It was built in 1930 to deliver materials to the construction site of the Hoover Dam. It stopped its operations after the dam was finished, and in 1962 the rails were removed, but the tunnels in the red volcanic rock still remain. The trail starts just below the Lake Mead Visitor Center. The first 2.2 miles is relatively flat, making this an easy trail for anyone to enjoy. This 2.2 mile section has 5 tunnels with lots of historical information along the way. In order to move the large equipment through the tunnels, they had to build them a lot larger than normal, at 25 feet wide and 35 feet high. When you walk through them, you realize how massive they really are. The second and third tunnel will have you walking through a metal container. There was a fire in 1990 that closed the trail. The containers were placed there to allow the trail to open back up and keep everyone safe. There are many benches along the way so you can stop and enjoy the view of Lake Mead. The trail is very wide and allows bikes and dogs, just as long as the dogs are on a leash. Tunnel 5 seemed like it was one of the darkest tunnels, only because it actually had a turn in it. Once you are on the outside of Tunnel 5, you're pretty much at the end of the tunnel section, and you have gone probably about 2.2 miles. From here, you can either turn around, or you can continue to the Hoover Dam. The last section to the Hoover Dam is about 1.5 miles. This will take you to the Hoover Dam parking lot. In this section of the trail, you're going to pass by the Hoover Dam Boneyard. At the end of the dirt trail, you'll come to a paved trail, and this will take you to switchbacks that lead you to a parking lot. If you rode a bike, you're going to have to leave it locked up here, because at this point, they are not allowed. Follow the parking lot to the other end and take the elevator down. Once you are here, you can do many things, like take a tour of the inside of the dam, or walk over the dam like we did. We viewed the side of the lake to see the intake towers. Once we explored the dam, we turned around and headed back to our car. All in all, this hike for us was just under 8 miles. If you would like detailed directions on the locations in this clip, click on the link below in the description. If you enjoyed this clip, leave a comment about your favorite part. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get updates on our adventures. Thanks for watching.